Okay, so you should have your ruler. Just make sure it's nice and cleaned off before you start working on it, because I know we've used it with different media before, like oil pastel and soft pastel. Just make sure this is clean before you use it. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna start and we're gonna make a cross going across the center point here. And we're gonna just sketch lightly in case we accidentally make a mistake. So you should have 4 sections now set up for your mandala. Now, we're going to divide each section into thirds to start because we need 12 equal sections. Okay? So what I do is I'll go from here to here and I'll just kind of eyeball where that third is and get it as close as I can, and I make some marks on the edge of that circle. Then what I do is I line my ruler up with the edge of that circle and the middle of my circle here. And then I'm just going to take that line going all the way through. So now these are mirror image symmetrical lines. And I'm going to do the same thing down here. So I'm going to go about a third, and I'm going to go about a third. Remember to line it up through that middle point there. So now I should have 12 equal sections for my mandala. Alrighty. Now the next thing you need to do is come up with your design for your mandala and figure out like what pattern do you want to see going around the center point. If you are very detail oriented, you can use a lot of different shapes. You can reference mandala books or mandalas on the internet. There's all kinds of beautiful designs. But you know, the basic, what you need is at least 2 or 3 different shapes repeated going around that center point. So you can get stencils to trace, you can get, or cut out shapes and trace it, or you can use your ruler. So for example, if I start my basic section here and I go here to here, there's 2 shapes I can fit in there, and then I can go and even make a third going like that. So that would be a basic design. So what I'm going to do is repeat this going all the way around the outside. So I'm going to go corner to corner, going all the way around, corner to corner, going all the way around. And so you guys see how this pattern starts to repeat, and then the design starts to be unified, okay?